In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to use WooCommerce widgets while editing a page in WordPress. In WordPress, WooCommerce provides various widgets that you can use to display products, categories, and other e-commerce-related elements on your pages. To use WooCommerce widgets while editing a page, all you need to do is log into your WordPress admin panel, navigate to Pages, and click on Add a new page. You can also select the existing page that you want to edit. Let's first give this page a title over here, and look for a widget area on your page. This can be a sidebar, footer, or any other widgetized area depending on your theme and page builder. If you're using a page builder, there may be a specific widget or module for WooCommerce elements. Look for the WooCommerce or product-related options. You can see various related widgets over here. Simply click on the widget to add. For example, you can add a featured product widget over here. You can select from various options and click on Done. You can see this is how it works. Let's preview the changes, but before that, let's publish the changes. Now, let's view the changes on the front end, and you can see this is how the WooCommerce widget works. Moving back, let's add another widget. You can select from various widgets over here, and let's select a hand-picked products widget. You can select products to display. Once done, you can also align buttons. You can set content accordingly. Let's update the page. And now it's time to preview the changes. On refreshing the page, you can see the widget in action over here. And this is how easy it is to use WooCommerce widgets while editing a page in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.